Next on the main menu is Reports, and under Reports, My Reports and Report Setup. My Reports is an area where you can see and access reports that you have requested from the Reports button found at the top of many of the pages in the UI that is used to download the data you're viewing. From this page, you can download the reports requested over the past 6 months. Under Report Setup, there are 3 tabs: Dashboard, Report Views, and Emailed Reports. Under Dashboard, you'll see all of the reports, both built-in and custom, that you have set to display on your dashboard. Active graphs are specialized interactive reports that can be placed on the dashboard. Custom reports will be covered in more detail in another segment, but for now, know that you can create customizations of the built-in reports and upload them to this reports area to be displayed on the dash or emailed on a schedule of your choosing. Built-in reports are at the bottom of the list. Custom reports are at the top. And this filtering button at the top allows you to filter just to your built-in and customized reports, or by clicking Show All Types of Reports, you can include custom reports that you've downloaded from the marketplace to the list. Since we're talking about dashboard reports, this would be an ideal time to navigate to the dashboard to see what that all looks like. These 3 reports are the active graphs we saw listed above the dashboard reports list. Clicking on the graph opens it in a larger view and also gives you some options to drill down into the data. Going back to the dashboard, these non-interactive graphics are being pulled from customized reports, and clicking on the graphic opens the Excel version of the report. By creating custom reports and displaying them on your dashboard, you can always have the most critically needed information at your fingertips. Leveraging the formulas, pivot tables, and charts and graphs in Excel with the robust data sets in Geotab's built-in reports gives the Excel guru in your company everything they need to create precisely the reports that you need. Each user can customize the dashboard to meet their needs by hiding reports they do not use and moving reports around on the dashboard to place them in the order that works best based on their job responsibilities. Hidden reports can be restored easily using the Show Hidden Reports button at the top of the page. Moving on to report views. This is a similar view to the dashboard reports view, but also includes reports that are not populated to the dashboard. In this section, you can choose reports to add to the dashboard, permanently remove a report from the dashboard, or schedule a report to be emailed on a schedule of your choosing. Listed under each report that is on the dashboard or scheduled for emails, we can see the date range to be displayed in the report and the frequency at which the report will refresh or be sent to the designated users. Managers can schedule reports to be sent to their staff or to other groups as defined in the next section we'll be looking at. We access the form where these selections are made by clicking on the report name. This report is set to display on the dashboard data for yesterday, and it refreshes daily. To email the report, simply click the Email Report tab, turn Email Options on, and complete the form with your selections. We can select a group of users to receive it, select to email the report to me, or any combination of users that you pick off the individual recipients list. You can redirect the report to another user when you're away. You can select the format for the report, the date range, the refresh interval, and the next run date and time. You can even limit the report to a specific group of vehicles. On some reports, there may be additional choices to make, such as what exception rules to include, or in this case, the classification of DVIR entries, such as only defective, only repaired and certified, or all DVIR reports. If we want to see a list of only the reports that are being emailed, we simply select Emailed Reports off the main menu. We can export the reports from these lists using the Export button to view how the report is configured if needed. And that's an overview of reports.